Hello everybody. Today I am washing my clothes in the tub. Yes, I have a washing machine. I have access to washing machines. But washing clothes in the tub is therapeutic for me. When you want to really get your clothes real clean, that's the best way to do it. Today I'm using Sapolio Ultra times 3. And it has a great smell. It is very gentle and it's only 99 cents. So I'm going to put my little squirt of little squirt of that dish detergent in there. And I'm washing lights with some darks, just a little bit of darks in there. So let me get my clothes and start throwing in here. I'm going to wash my stuff in hot water. I will be letting it soak for a while. I may even let it soak overnight. But I'm going to see whether I'm going to do it that way. I'm going to see whether I'm going to do it that way this time. So I have my plunger and I'm going to put some hot water. So you don't have to use the polio. This is what I'm using today. This is nice and gentle. Now I think I need a little bit more squirts in there. And you can do this whether you're pre-washing. You could use this to put on your collars if you got stains. You can use any dish detergent. But whenever I see Sapolio, I pick some up. Because you see they have a baby here letting you know it's gentle to your skin. So I'm plunging. And I'm going to plunge for a while and then I'm going to let it just soak. And then I will rinse it out. And then I will put some more in there and let it stay for maybe 3 or 4 hours. Or I may do it overnight. I'm trying to debate whether I'm doing it overnight. So yeah, I said that it's therapeutic for me, and it is. I remember a time when I mainly relied on doing my clothes this way. And they were always clean. And if your clothes are real dirty, I don't let my stuff get super dirty. But if your stuff is real dirty, you're going to have to soak it. And I say pour the water out, rinse it, do it about 3 times. And after the last rinse, then put some more soap and let it. You plunge it and then you let it sit all night. And then all you have to do in the morning is to rinse it out. I don't know if you can see it, but the water is starting to look dirty. Yeah, so the water's starting to look murky, dirty. If you have bath cloths that's real dirty, I would wash those separately. If you have a washboard, that would be good. If not, just put on some gloves and you scrub the dirty areas. You let it soak. And let it soak how long you need it to soak. Rinse it. Check it to see if it's clean, whether it smells clean. Put more dish soap or whatever you're using, put it in there and let it soak again for a long time. And then all you have to do is rinse it. Take note of how your water is smelling. So this is my first wash before I just let it sit. My water's not smelling all that good, so that means if your water doesn't smell fresh, it means that the clothes are not that fresh. So then I don't care how many times you have to do it. I usually don't have to do it more than 2 times. Okay? But if you have to, you know, dish detergent is real inexpensive, and if you have to do it more than 2 times, you do that. This doesn't have to be done in this storage bin. You can do it in the tub, whichever way you want to do it. I like to do it this way because sometimes my water goes out and I don't like that, so I'd rather do it in this. Okay, now I'm going to let it sit for about 3 or 4 hours and then I'll be back. Okay, so it's now time for me to pour this out and put some more water in there and soak it again. You see the water's dirty. cleansing again. There's a lot of soap. Sometimes you can use this detergent in a washing machine, but if it's HE, it will rinse over and over and over again. So if you use it in the washing machine, just put a little bit in there, a tiny bit, because if you don't, it will be rinsing for a long time, and that wastes your water and it wastes your energy. So I will come back either tonight or tomorrow, and I will be rinsing this out, and then I will be rinsing this out, and then I will be showing you the results. Hello everyone. So my clothes are done, and I'm going to rinse them out, and then I will show you the results of using this detergent. You know, you can use any kind. I mentioned that before. So I'm going to pour these out now, and then I will start rinsing. Okay, now it's time for me to pour it out. It's really heavy now. Okay, it's heavy. So when this all drains out, I will show you how my clothes turned out. You can see there's some little soap left over. I may even rinse them again while they're in this tub. But it's not too bad. Tell you one thing, it's better than the laundromat, that's for sure. So I will be coming back, y'all. So this is how clean my clothes are looking. Okay, a lot of you know how to do this. But if you don't, this is what this video was for. And the key to it is to not let your stuff get too dirty. Don't keep it in the hamper too long, because you start getting those odors, built-in odors in your clothes. Well, thank you for watching. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please put your notifications on. Okay?